ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọ bụ naanị ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọ bụ naanị ya bụ ọka aka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etu gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị Igbo wee tụọ gị ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọ bịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt, kwetu wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kara. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye, ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ekonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala nwekwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkwa ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. And this morning we are here, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth to the strong mind and strong souls. You just got to listen to what I have to say this moment and this time around. You just got to listen, because one thing that I have here is nothing but the undiluted Ezioku Chineke Anako Mmiri. That's the only thing that I am here to preach to the strong souls. The unification of the Igbos are number one, because if we want to win our enemies, we must be united. We must be united. We must be united. And I say it again, we must be united. The enemies, those whom we call Ndi Ezegworo, they have devised a means in order to divide us. They have devised a means in order to win us. They have devised a means in order to keep us in perpetuity. But what will happen here is our unity is our own resolve. Our should I say, cooperation is supposed to be top-notch. We're supposed to scare the enemies away from us and make them to shiver and never come close to us. That's the only number one thing that we must know. Now, I want to tell each and every one of you, the more we delay in this restoration of Biafra, the more the occupation of our land comes. Before, are you hearing Igbo Muslim? Are you hearing Igbo Muslim before? You don't even know the danger. They will push for the governor, Igbo Muslim governor, and they will get it. Because they control the powers that be. They control INEC. Igbo Muslim governor, all it takes them is one efulefu to campaign. Whether anyone vote for him or not, then after the voting, the INEC will announce the result. Even if INEC announce the result right, they will go to court and impose that one. Like what you saw in Imo State. They will do it in everywhere. They will do it in everywhere. Imo State is occupied now. And it is gone unless you do something. You know, the more we take time to fight the efulefu that they have brought in to disturb us, the more that they are doing their deeds, they are destroying everywhere. They are organizing themselves like what you saw in Abia State. They wonder how can a sitting governor develop such a state, a dilapidated state. Abia was no-go area. The roads were dilapidated. Aba business were crushed. But all of a sudden, how can this man return everything, turn it around? Who is this man? Alex Oti. That is the reason why you see the converge of the vultures. Because those ones are the Islamic puppet of the Islamic Caliphate of Nigeria. The Satan of Sokoto, the devil. If you worship with Islam, you are worshiping devil himself complete. And if you die with Islam, you are going to hellfire. I'm letting all of you to know there is no painting walls about it. And that is my problem with the correctness of the Catholic Pope. Oh, Muslims and the Christians can live side by side. They are friends. But in the church, I hear you people preaching. If you do evil, you will go to hellfire. And Islam is doing evil. They are raping women. They are murdering people. And you are preaching to me I should live side by side with such people. I don't just know. You know me, I don't like I'm not politically correct always. I don't even love a political correct. I just want to preach my preaching and preach to the weak souls and even the strong bones to rise and protect the fatherland, the motherland, which is Biafra. I am Mwashiburobi. Please. The more we delay, the more these very people strategize and re-strategize their distance. And let me tell you people, do you see those boys protecting the land of Biafra? There will be a time that they will say, oh, what are we doing? If these very people don't want to protect their land, so let us leave the land. And if they leave, your life will be like people of Southern Kaduna when they took off Zidane. They first of all told them that Zidane is their problem. If Zidane is not there, the Fulani will not be attacking. Because Zidane buy their own people. That is the reason why they are coming to buy. And they were adamant. They stand strong with Zidane. All they did was for the, what are they calling him? El Rufai, to send the Nigerian military to pick up Zidane. And that same El Rufai is at the back of Peter Obi shouting this thing. Let me tell you people the truth. You see this group of criminals in ADC. If you vote them, bombardment in your land will continue. Terrorists in your land will have more power. They are the ones controlling terrorism. With a Tunumbu also. Tunumbu is the chief architect of terrorism. The two, APC and ADC, they are the same. APC, ADC, or AA is in their name. That is armed criminal. That A is armed, C is criminal. Other ones that they put in their name is what I don't know. But we must stand strong in this very platform and preach nothing but the undiluted truth to the strong minds and let the dead bones rise again. We must be able to preach nothing but the undiluted truth and let even the dead bones will rise through this very preaching. We are standing strong, please. Are you listening to me? Are you getting the picture loud and clear? Are you getting the message? I am Mwashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri. And we must stand strong. We must be united, rally around ourselves and know how to help ourselves. I cover cha 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 cha. I cover 2024, 2025. Immediately, Burma's Simon Eba Amabanaja. It is a delay tactics to allow these demons in order to occupy our land. And once they occupy your land, who will you blame? Who can you call? Who will you say that that person should come and help you? I'm asking those of you. I am Washiburobi place. And Washiburobi is here, preaching nothing but that undiluted truth. You must hit the like button and share, please. Because it is a duty to hit the like button. And it is a duty to share this very program and allow others to join, please. I am Washiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. That is Yokunke Chineke Ana. That's the only thing that we are here preaching. To the dead bones and the dry bones, we want them to rise and fight for the freedom. So what am I saying? What am I preaching? What are we doing into this very program? I am preaching about unity. How we can unite. How we can stand up and fight a common cause. What is the common cause, please? The common cause of Biafra. The quest for Biafra. The quest for the restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra. It is a common cause. It is something that we must do. It is something that we must unite together and protect. It is something that we as a people must look inwards. No matter however that you are aggrieved, you must look inwards and say, how can we unite together to fight for this very common cause? You are now talking, you know, you people are now that they never have the terrorist Igbos. Because one thing that they want to achieve by these Igbo Okoko Muslims, they said to themselves, if you listen to what I said 2020, that is 6 years ago and 5 years ago, you will understand the area that they are going to. Did you know that 6 years ago I said that these very people, when I was talking about how they are paying some people, I think 5 years ago, I made that broadcast in Onitsha after the Chelsea match. I said that they are now paying people to become Igbo Muslim. And what they want to achieve is they want to get some certain percentage. Then they will have agitate for Igbo Muslim governor. Once there is a Muslim governor, your land is gone. Because that one will impose Sharia law in your state. Sharia law will be practiced in Anambra, will be practiced in Imo, will be practiced in Enugu, will be practiced in Abia, will be practiced in Ebonyi, will be practiced in Delta, will be practiced in Rivers. It is all determinant on you. What can you do? How can you liberate yourself? It is all determinant on you. I am Washiburubi. And by the way, let me tell you people, Tinubu is a one-time president. Another president that is coming to take over Nigeria is called Atiku Abubakar. Tinubu is a one-time president. A Yoruba president will be a one-time president. And that man, they are using him to destroy Igbo properties in Lagos. It is not a rocket science. They are using them to destroy Igbo properties in Lagos and to impose the Yoruba hegemony. They have given Yoruba people special status and they are jubilating special status And Yoruba people, in the conversation with now the vice president of the Zoological Republic of Animal Kingdom called Nigeria, that is Shetima. Shetima was telling the person that he was talking to that the businesses Igbos are doing, they, the Northerners, will come and do it in Lagos. They were planning, but what the Yorubas don't know is that they are planning how to take over Yoruba from them. You can collect your land when Igbos are there, but you cannot collect your land when Hausa are there. They will tell you that they have become indigenes. They will tell you that they have become citizens. Their people are going to arm them to fight against your land. And that is the reason why we laugh at the Yorubas when they bring destruction upon themselves. Yorubas are bringing destructions upon themselves, upon their lives, and they don't know what they are doing to themselves. I am Nwashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That's the only thing. That is the only thing that I have come to preach, please. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. You just got to hit the like button and share. Hit the like button and share this very program to many platforms. I am Nwashiburobi. Are you getting me? Are you listening to me? Are you understanding where this very program is going to? Or where we are heading to? You must know where we are going to in order to know where we are heading to. I dey confused. I dey confused in this very program. But you know the message. We must unite to fight a common enemy. If we scatter, banter, this and that, if we concentrate very much on the enemies that they have imposed in us, in the criminals that are telling you, if you concentrate so much in them, you are going to lose your land. If you concentrate so much in them, like I say, some people destroying their freedom, they thought that they are doing to Nwashiburobi. When the time comes, I will let you know that they have betrayed themselves by themselves. You use your money to sponsor Islamic jihad to your land and Islamic takeover of your own land. They needed the money and they are getting it from you. From those ones telling you, they will tell it to you till eternity because it does not matter. They will keep on deceiving themselves till eternity because it does not matter. But I'm telling you right now that it matters. And the only thing that matters is all about your security, all about your life, all about how you will be secured, all about how your children are going to be secured, all about how your children are going to be safe, all about exiting that animal kingdom called Nigeria because it is not safe for you. That's the only thing that matters. Are you getting me, please? Do not misquote me. The only thing that matters is to safeguard your land, protect your land, protect your people, protect your children. That's the only thing. Any other thing that they are talking is foul. Are you getting me? I am preaching this very program to those of you listening to me. And I will tell you why I am preaching this very program. There is no place like home. If your house is being destroyed, it affects Dick, it affects Harry, it affects Tom. Dick ya no n'ọsọ, Harry ya no n'ọsọ, Tom ya no n'ọsọ. And I don't want that land to be scattered. I don't want me, my own self, to be on the run. I don't want to be on the run. And that is the reason why when you see me preach this very program, I know that there is no other place for me to go to. No other place for me to go to. And no other home for me to go to. The only home and the only place that I have is Biafra. And if I allow their destructive tendency to destroy the land of Chukwu Okike Abiama, then it affects me. And when it affects me, it affects my children. When it affects my children, it affects my lineage. That's the only thing. Every time I come here, cry and lament. Those of you thinking that no one here anywhere, nothing. Nothing. I ask you people, that time, it did not even take me as a Simon 3 months to come up with tangible something. Oko 1 year Ghana, Akoronu elite squad, Alapuona, Unu Brunobi. Every time, if you do not listen to them, you will not know anything that they are doing. So, in essence, they are the ones telling you what they are doing. But it was not like that. When Master Simon is there, you know what he is doing by yourself, without him telling you anything. You know what he is doing in the land of Biafra to get Biafra. When Master Simon was there, you know what he is doing. He cannot come and tell you, oh, look at what I'm doing. You will see what he is doing to get Biafra. Look at all these other people. Hey, Tino Kenangwere. Mosquitoes, monkeys and baboons preaching to you. Oh, we are in freedom. We are agitating for freedom. We are doing this for you. We are doing that for you. And next tomorrow, their preaching will contradict the ones that they have told you, and you cannot ask questions. And it goes on and on and on like that, like play. You spend 10 years. To them, it has become a business. It has become a business. But to you, you are just like Ndinaga to church. Church, Chris, and a church, all these fake pastors in Nigeria. I don't think that there is real pastor in Nigeria, please. There is no real pastor. That Obodo Ekwensu was cursed, and they have no single real pastor there. I know the reason why I'm preaching this. Because my own, those that it affects, will be talking blah, 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 blah. I remember the time that my prophecies were making waves in every channel. Some of the big churches come to me that I should come to their church and become prophet in their church. That they are going to give me the platform and what I needed. I said it then. Some of them came to me to preach. Some of the people that you know. I am like this is because I don't want to scam anybody. As a human being, I beg somebody. There is no crime in begging somebody. If you like a formulate, oh, you're a beggar. Oh, you beg for Oga, now you're begging. Not be me the beg. If I am a beggar, not be somebody's name be Julius Beggar. So, that is how I have taken my life. If something is bothering me, I need to beg for it. Until I get to the stage that I will no longer beg. Because this thing will not continue in this life. There must be a time that I will no longer beg. But me telling people lies or becoming fake in order to get money, it is foul. I told you people that time. I told you people. If I tell you the stage that I have gotten to, then begging, preaching, and all the offer. I said it then. If you listen to me then, I said no. My calling is not in church. My calling is here. And there are too many prophecies that I don't want to say, please. There are too many prophecies that I don't want to say. I want us to wallow. You know my own. When I tell you that this is prophecy, you watch it and it will come to pass. No matter anyhow that you wallow, it will come to pass. As a prophecy, I say it. And it will come to pass. Gani who Ganazo, none of we be natural notch. I will be laughing at you. Because that thing that I told you yesterday will come. Oh. It will come. Oh, one more come with all madam, please. Don't use this voice and know me, please. One more combo. Mwashiburobi is here. The progenitors or whatever of my ancestors. I am here preaching that which nobody will preach to you. And the only thing that I am preaching to you is that truth which nobody will tell you. Or few people will tell you that truth. Few. We are few in number that can tell you that truth. But I go nowhere. I am preaching nothing but the undiluted truth, and from me from here, from the temple of the Gracie, it is good morning, please. Have a nice day.